In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns and tables in Notion, helping you make your workspace more organized and visually appealing. Whether you're a Notion newbie or a seasoned pro, optimizing your table size can significantly enhance your productivity and workflow. Let's start by opening up your Notion page that includes the table you want to adjust. Once you have your page in front of you, the first step involves focusing on the column borders within your table. These are the lines that separate each column header. Pay close attention as you move your mouse over these borders. You'll see it change into a resizing cursor, signified by a two-sided arrow. This is your cue that you can begin adjusting. With the resizing cursor active, click and don't let go just yet. Instead, either drag to the left or right, depending on if you want to make your column narrower or wider. As you do this, keep an eye on your content to ensure it all remains visible and organized the way you prefer. Adjusting column widths can help emphasize the most critical information, making it easier to scan and understand at a glance. Next, you may decide that the entire table needs resizing. For instance, if you've added new information and need more room for it. To do this, head over to the top right corner of your page, where you'll find three little dots arranged vertically, known as the Options menu. Click these dots to reveal the table options. In this menu, you have the choice to toggle full width. Selecting this option causes your table to expand and use the full width of the page. This can be especially useful if you find that your table feels cramped, or if you simply prefer having more space for each column. Working with full-width tables can also improve readability, particularly in comprehensive databases with lots of information. Once you've made your adjustment, release your mouse. You'll likely see an immediate difference, and hopefully, it's one that better suits your needs. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that the new table size aligns with your workflow and meets the needs of your project. By following these simple steps, you've not only resized your columns and table, but also taken another step towards mastering your Notion workspace. As you continue to use Notion, don't hesitate to experiment with these adjustments to find what layout works best for you. A well-organized table can make a world of difference, improving both efficiency and clarity in your daily tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manipulate table sizes in Notion. Be sure to revisit these steps anytime your table needs a bit of resizing. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!